Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using this crate from Dollar Tree and these rub-on transfers from Amazon. I start by taping off the bottom section of the crate all the way around, and I'm painting that with Pueblo color acrylic paint, and that's by Folkart. Once I have that section painted and dried, I tape off the center section of the crate, again all the way around, painting that with Plaster color chalk paint by Waverly. Once that is done and dry, I paint the bottom with Lite Mocha acrylic paint, and that's by Apple Barrel. I also paint the inside part of the crate with that color. Once that's done, I take these rub-on transfers from Amazon. They're by Timeless Designs. And I'm cutting away the section that says Crisp Days of Fall, and I cut away each of the words so I can place them throughout those different sections. The top one, I do crisp. I remove the backing from it and place it on that orange color, and then use the stick it comes with to rub on the transfer, and then slowly peel away the top layer, making sure that all of the letters are stuck down. So I do crisp, and then I do days of, and then on the bottom I'll do fall. And then take some twine and start on the inside of the crate, which is going to be the bottom. And I leave a piece hanging and wrap it around a few times. And then on the end of the wrapped twine, I tie those two pieces together and cut off the excess. And then just push them together. And then make a small twine bow and hot glue that to the front on that twine. And then take this small pumpkin I got from Dollar Tree and remove the wire from it. And then take these two hay bales and little scarecrow hat. Those also came from Dollar Tree. And I hot glue down the hay bales at first. And then I'll be hot gluing the hat at an angle, so it's leaning on the hay bales, and then I hot glue the pumpkin to the hay bales. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.